Well, let me just say, I definitely am not attempting to become an enabler of supply purchasing, but I will say I was happily surprised to see these items in my local Walmart when I stopped over there to get an oil change. Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. All right, listen, so this is definitely not an enabler alert, okay? This is just a portion of the video where I'm just sharing with you some things that I found at our local Walmart when I stopped in for an oil change. Now, hubby's out of town, so, that is typically something he would do at home, but because it was time for an oil change, I went over to Walmart. I also did a little grocery shopping too. So while Josh was over in the tech area looking at all the gadgetries, I swung by the art and crafts supply area and found some really interesting things. Now, first of them were these metallic oil pastels by King Art. And while I think this isn't, I'm not even sure if this is student grade. I don't have any oil pastels. I think I have some from when Josh was in like kindergarten, from his kindergarten kit. Haven't tried them, but I figured this might be something I can use on top of acrylic paint. I'm not sure. I'm almost certain that somebody's going to be like, you can't use oil on top of acrylic. We're going to see. Okay, maybe even on top of watercolor. I'll figure out a way to use this. But I wanted to get the metallic set because, I mean, I would typically just be using regular paint, whether it's watercolor or acrylic. And why not add a little splash of some, shimmer to it with the oil pastels. And so, again, I'm not sure how it would work, but these are the colors, all, primary colors, convenient. They're not necessarily convenient colors, but, your primary colors. I think these were $4.88. So, if I can use them, great. If I can't, I'll figure out a way to use them now. Comes with 12 colors. Vivid layered artwork. Create vivid layered artwork. And it says, soft and smooth sticks, easy to blend and layer, suitable for many surfaces. So we'll see. We'll try that out and see. Something else that I picked up was the oven safe clay work mat, and I believe this was around $6, which is good. Now I know many people use a toaster oven to bake their clay. I don't. I just use my oven because that's what I have, right? But I don't want to put them on my cookie sheet. So this is a great way. I think I've used foil before, and I have polymer clay. I just actually have to pull it out and knead it. Hopefully it's not too dry, but I had it from years ago. A friend of mine gave it to me. An artsy friend gave it to me when she no longer wanted to work in with the clay, whole set of it. And I've actually created some, what do you call it, some charms, and I've used them in projects on a couple of journals. So happy to have found that. And then I also saw this press and design Rubon transfer. So now, isn't this gorgeous? So this is what you get. It says you can use it on a variety of surfaces. Hopefully you guys can see that outside of the glare. But it's showing ceramic, glass, terracotta, metal, wood, plastic, cork, enamel, paper, silicone, plastic, and canvas. And let me just show you really quickly. I think this was maybe $3. You get about 15 images, so you're not getting sheets. But isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Let me make sure y'all can see that without too much glare. And I have just a project that's waiting for this. You'll see it. Or you may see the project being done before you see this video. So, nevertheless, if you see this in another video, know that you'll be seeing it in this, because I don't always release my videos in sequence, in the sequence in which they're recorded. It depends on what's an easier edit. and what's not time sensitive. You know, if I'm doing Valentine's Day crafts or Christmas crafts, obviously I want to release it during that time frame. And now last but not least, I found the 3D stretch canvases 4-pack. I want to say this was maybe $8 or $9, maybe might have been $7. But what I liked about it was the side of it is about 1.5 inches. Yeah, about 1.5 inches. So the standard canvas is about, let's see, let's do a comparison. I've got one on my desk. This is the average size of a canvas, and this is, look at the difference. That's a standard canvas that you can get at Dollar Tree, and so it might even be 2 inches. Let me check. No, it's 1.5. And then this one, the one that I just showed you, is 1/2 inch. So this is 1/2 inch. That is 1.5. So really cute, nice for creating an ensemble or wall display. Definitely excited to get started with that. And one of the reasons why I brought this to you is because I wanted to share this with you, is because with the recent closing of our beloved Joann, you know, we are losing some of the stores that we are accustomed to going into to purchase, to go into physically and purchase products from. So, you know, I just would encourage you to check out what your local Walmart has to offer. Obviously, it'll be at affordable prices, and they do carry some artist quality, some brands that offer artist quality, artist level quality. There we go. Artist level quality products. So depending on what you're looking for and what brands you're familiar with, there may be something there for you at a reasonable price, obviously. Now, hopefully you found something in here interesting. If so, let me know which of these you'd like to see me work with first, if you haven't already seen me work with something. And I do intend to probably should did it in the winter months, but within the spring and summer months, I plan on pulling out the polymer clay. So looking forward to playing with it. All right, now enough of my rambling. Until we are back here together on Patreon and YouTube, my friends, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafty. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.